Hi guys, it's Tuesday and I am back. I want to share with you a couple of things. We Cheeky Studio went to the Kiss Crop in Grove, Oklahoma, and I restrained myself and only bought a couple of things, but you know they're gonna be kind of mixed media because I'm on that kick right now. So I wanted to share with you what I got, and let me know in the comments below if you would like to see this carried in the Cheeky Studio store. But I thought I'd give them a try first, and they're called Cosmic Shimmer Shakers. And so I've been seeing, they're by Dr. Phil. Are they Dr. Phil? I think they're Dr. Phil. I thought I saw a sticker. Colors by Phil Martin. I'm sorry, Dr. Phil. Not Dr. Phil, although scrapbooking is therapy. So yeah, I believe these are a Shimmers Paints product, which I have an association with. So I'm gonna play with these, and I just got 4 colors that I know I will use: an orange, a yellow. They had a pink that was really light, and a pink that was neon, and a pink that was super bright. But I just elected to get these 4. I don't know why I didn't get pink, honestly. I'm kind of kicking myself now. So those are super cute, and you just sprinkle them on, add some water, and it's supposed to be like really vibrant watercolors. So this is something else I haven't played with. These are the Nouveau Crystal and Jewel drops, and what I liked about the crystal ones, I think it was the crystal one, no, the jewel ones, they're very translucent. So I thought that was kind of a cool effect. I wanted to try a couple of those, and that's what these colors are. It's a nice pink and orange, and you can make like enamel dots with them, or you could probably, you know, pull them through a stencil if you wanted to. I don't know. I'm gonna play. And then these are the crystal drops, which I think is one of their original, or at least more recent product, or I'm sorry, older products, even though Nouveau's not that old. And I got it in a yellow and a blue, and it is more opaque. So I want to play with those. And then also, one of the vendors there, I just could not believe the deal she had. Look at all this double-sided tape. So there is two 1/8 inch, 2 1/4 inch, and 2 1/2 inch. And she was selling these for $5. I mean, I can't even get that price wholesale. So I'm not sure how that happened. What's the name of the company? Couture Creations. Maybe they were having some sort of blowout clearance or closing their doors. I don't know, but you can't buy it wholesale for that. So I could not resist. So that is the haul that I got when I was in Grove. Just put these over here so I can play with them later, because I have some of my mixed media tucked away over there. Also, I wanted to give you a bit of an update, and don't stray, because I kind of have a sneak peek at the very end, and I think you might like it. But I wanted to share with you where I am on my empty box series, and if you, I guess I'll link the box at the end of this video, so you can go back and look at that video if you want. And it was a box full of old kits and products from kits. It was all old kits, actually. I think I did add a couple of stray things, and I took the paper out because, you know, I want to pick what paper that I want to use. I'm actually going through and getting rid of a bunch of my old paper, and we're going to be at the Scrapbook Expo in Irving, Texas. So I would love to meet you there. That is in February. I believe it's the 22nd and 23rd in Irving, and I want to say it's at their convention center, but I haven't gotten the update. So anyway, I have knocked about half this box out, so I'm actually on target for March. I was like, ugh, I need to give myself 6 months because this whole box was full to the rim if you watched the video. And now I'm getting down to just bits and pieces. And some of these are stamps, so it's not like I can't just, I'll throw them in my stash after I use them a few times. But yeah, super excited about the dent I have made here. So I'm going to put that to the side. Also, like I said, we are going to be at the Scrapbook Expo in Irving. I'm going to see if I can zoom in here. And I want to give you a little sneak peek of some work that, or some ephemera and papers that will be coming to the shop. I'm not going to show you all of these. I'm just going to show you a few. And if you know who this designer is, comment below and you may be able to win a pack of ephemera from Cheeky. So I'm curious if you know who this designer might be, because I'm going to start carrying her products in the shop, and I would love to find out who figures it out. So tons of vibrant colors. Here's another little hint. Whoop. Well, let me do this. Yeah. So I've got papers on the way. The ephemera is done. And we should be good to go in a couple of weeks with this product line. And I'm super excited to share it with you. So it turned out beautiful, and yeah, I guess that's kind of all I wanted to share. What else? I guess that's it. I've had so much going on, it's just been crazy. If you do decide to go to the Scrapbook Expo in February, we are starting to do some larger shows. So I would love to meet you there. We're going to have specials, we're going to have giveaways, we're going to have make and takes, and it's a really big show, so we're super thrilled about it. And there was something else I was going to tell y'all, and I can't remember what. Oh, our Black Friday sale. Why didn't I think of this? For the rest of November, we are having a blowout for our leftover kits. They're $19.99. While they last, I don't have that many left. Also, we have grab bags, $50 worth of product for $25, and most of that will be Cheeky, of course. But there'll be some mixed in of some other product that I had purchased for these shows, and I'm just feeling generous. So, yeah, $50 worth of product for $25, kits $19.99, and free shipping over $75 subtotal. So you've got 2 more weeks to shop until you drop, and there's also a bunch of new digital files on the website, and some of those are Christmas and some of those are Black Friday and about shopping and things like that. So I wanted you to have some fun things to work with, and there are automatic downloads. So that's it. That's what I wanted to share with you. I appreciate you watching, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Ta-ta for now. Bye.